I'm going to show you how you can remove the default subscription bar, unsubscribe bar at the bottom of your MakeSbridge emails. The first thing you're going to want to do before you start the process is to send an email to support@makesbridge.com because our delivery team needs to authorize your account in order to do that. We typically make judgment calls based on how long you've been with MakeSbridge and your sender reputation, and also the types of your email. So once that is done, you're going to be ready to use your own unsubscribe language. So the first thing you do in the settings is you're going to click Use Custom Footer. And what that'll do, if you take a look at a preview, is it removes the bar. Now, you still need to have an unsubscribe link. So what you do here is you have a bit of subscription language first. So that's something that's a little bit friendlier. And you highlight that. Under links, click unsubscribe and insert. And then you're good to go.